In a bold move to strengthen its defense capabilities, Turkey has unveiled its ambitious Steel Dome system, an advanced air defense shield designed to counter aerial threats. Alongside this, the country is developing 2,000-kilometer long-range missiles, signaling a significant shift in regional power dynamics. The Steel Dome is Turkey's answer to modern aerial threats, including drones, cruise missiles, and ballistic missiles. Similar to Israel's Iron Dome but with enhanced multi-layered interception, it integrates radar tracking, artificial intelligence, and rapid response interceptor missiles to neutralize incoming threats before they reach their target. The system features early detection radar that scans the airspace for threats, AI-powered threat assessment which calculates the trajectory of incoming missiles, and high-speed interceptors designed to engage and destroy enemy projectiles mid-air. Additionally, it potentially adds non-kinetic defensive measures like laser and electromagnetic pulse technology. With regional tensions rising, Turkey's Steel Dome system is expected to play a crucial role in neutralizing long-range missile threats from adversarial states. When a hostile missile is launched, the Steel Dome's radar network locks onto its trajectory, while its AI algorithms determine the best interception point. Hypersonic interceptors then engage the missile, destroying it before impact. This layered defense approach ensures maximum coverage and rapid response against any aerial incursion. Turkey's dual strategy, defensive protection through the Steel Dome and offensive capabilities with 2,000-kilometer missiles, redefines its military posture. The long-range missile program extends Turkey's reach across the Middle East, North Africa, and parts of Europe, altering the balance of power. Meanwhile, the Steel Dome enhances national security, deterring potential attacks and securing vital infrastructure, including military bases, energy hubs, and metropolitan centers. With these advancements, Turkey positions itself as a dominant force in regional defense, reinforcing its sovereignty and strategic autonomy. The Steel Dome is more than a shield. It is a statement of resilience, ensuring that Turkey remains protected in an evolving geopolitical landscape. This has been Uncover History, bringing you in-depth insights into global defense strategies. Stay tuned for more updates on Turkey's military advancements.